Welcome to your inspirational stories and encouragement channel. Your Christmas edition. This Christmas season, we are excited to bring you inspiring, heartwarming, and uplifting stories that capture the true spirit and the essence of Christmas. Join us as we share a brand new Christmas story daily throughout the Yuletide season. These stories are designed to fill your heart with joy, peace, and love, thereby creating precious memories that will linger in your heart. They will help you experience the magic of Christmas in a deeper and more meaningful way beyond the funfare that Christmas is known for. With each new story every day, you won't want to miss a single moment. So, let's celebrate this season in a way that will stay with you longer after the holidays. So, create time, sit back, relax, and enjoy the stories. Most importantly, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. From my heart to yours, peace and joy. And now, today's Christmas story titled, How Tosin'S Christmas Event Sparked a Wave of Kindness in Mushin, Lagos, Nigeria. In the vibrant city of Lagos, Nigeria, Christmas was always a grand affair. The streets were bustling with excitement, as everyone prepared for the holiday season. The air was filled with the scent of roasted corn, fresh flowers, and the sounds of Christmas carols playing from every corner. But in the midst of the celebration, there was a small community in Mushin that had fallen on hard times. Many families were struggling to make ends meet, and though the city sparkled with festive lights and decorations, their homes remained quiet and empty. A young woman named Tosin, who worked at one of the local shops in the bustling Lagos Island market, noticed this as she walked through the streets. Tosin's heart ached as she saw the excitement of the season all around her, but she knew that many of the children in her neighborhood of Mushin had little to look forward to this Christmas. The thought of people celebrating without enough to eat or even basic gifts moved Tosin deeply. With a heart full of compassion, Tosin decided to organize a Christmas event for the children in her area. She didn't have much, but she had her love for her community and a desire to make a difference. She began by talking to her colleagues, friends, and neighbors, asking if they could donate a small gift or food to help brighten the season for those less fortunate. To her surprise, everyone rallied together. Local shopkeepers gave toys, neighbors offered food, and a nearby church provided a space to host the event. On Christmas Eve, Tosin and her friends set up a small market of joy in the heart of the community. Children were given clothes, shoes, and toys. Families received bags of rice, beans, and other essentials. The air was filled with laughter and joy as people came together to celebrate. For the first time in a long while, there was hope in the eyes of those who had little to give, but so much love to share. As the event unfolded, Tosin looked around with a deep sense of fulfillment. She saw children laughing and running with their new toys, mothers and fathers sharing food, and the elderly sitting in warmth with their loved ones. The spirit of togetherness was palpable, and it became clear that Tosin's small act of kindness had sparked something much greater. In that moment, she realized that even in the darkest times, the smallest glimmer of hope could light up an entire community. Here is my encouragement for you from today's story, beloved. In Lagos, Tosin's selfless act of kindness showed that Christmas is not just about the gifts we receive, but the love we give. She didn't have much to offer, but her willingness to spread joy through her community touched many lives. In times of hardship, it is the spirit of togetherness and compassion that can make the biggest difference. Even the smallest act of love can inspire a wave of generosity that transforms lives. Dear friend, remember that no act of kindness is ever too small. Just as Tosin's love for her community sparked a wave of generosity, so too can your simple gestures create ripples of positivity. You have the power to inspire and uplift others, and sometimes, it's the smallest acts of kindness that leave the biggest impact. Take a moment today to think about how you can bring light to someone's life. The world needs more of what you have to offer, and together, we can make this season one of profound love and hope. This Christmas, take inspiration from Tosin's story and find ways to share what you have with those who may be struggling. You don't need to wait for a grand opportunity to make a difference. Start small, with a simple act of kindness. Whether it's donating food, offering a helping hand, or simply spending time with someone in need, your actions can light up someone else's Christmas. The true spirit of Christmas lies in spreading love, compassion, and unity, and when we all come together, we create a community filled with hope and joy. In a world often focused on material gifts, the greatest gift we can give is love. Your generosity, no matter how small, has the power to make this Christmas brighter for someone who needs it most. Keep spreading love and kindness, for that is the true meaning of Christmas. I hope you are inspired by today's Christmas story, and learned some valuable lessons from it. Thank you for watching. If today's story resonated with you, please, kindly subscribe, like, comment, share, and turn on notifications for more inspiring stories. Wishing you a very Merry Christmas and a very happy, prosperous New Year 2025 in advance from my heart to yours. Love and blessings, Titus Ogbetere.